Bitcoin is down. Gold is exploding. Stocks are flying. So here's the uncomfortable question no one wants to ask. Did Bitcoin fail, or are most people looking at it completely wrong? Because while Bitcoin had a weak year, it is still, by far, the most profitable asset of the last decade. And today, we're going to answer one simple question. Is Bitcoin still worth investing in for 2026, yes or no? 2025 hasn't been a great year for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down around 6%. Meanwhile, gold is up more than 60%, and developed market stocks are up roughly 30%. At first glance, Bitcoin looks disappointing. But short-term performance hides a much bigger story. So let's zoom out. Since 2011, Bitcoin has been the best-performing asset in the world. Here's a simple example. 100 euros invested in Bitcoin in 2011 would be worth roughly 29 million today. The same amount in the S&P 500 would be about 700 euros. And in gold, around 280 euros. So the real question isn't what happened this year. It's what could happen next. Before investing even $1, you must understand what Bitcoin actually represents. Bitcoin was created in 2009, right after the 2008 financial crisis. Banks failed, and governments printed massive amounts of money. That's when Satoshi Nakamoto proposed a radical idea. Money without banks, without governments, and without intermediaries. And it's important to understand this. Bitcoin is not like other cryptocurrencies. Most crypto projects are startups or tech platforms. Bitcoin was designed with one goal only: to be the best form of money possible. For money to work, it must store value over time. But fiat money slowly loses purchasing power. That's inflation. Let's keep it simple. 10 apples cost 10 euros. More money is printed. Now 30 euros chase the same apples. Prices rise and your money buys less. Bitcoin is different because it is scarce. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. Bitcoin is no longer fringe or experimental. Major institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity are involved. Bitcoin ETFs are live. BlackRock's ETF reached $100 billion in just 435 days. And yet, Bitcoin is still very small. Bitcoin represents only about 0.2% of global wealth. Gold is worth roughly 20 times more. If Bitcoin captured even half of gold's value, that would imply a price near $900,000 per Bitcoin. Some major institutions see Bitcoin between 150 and 170,000 by 2026. Others see much higher numbers long-term. So why does Bitcoin feel stuck right now? Profit-taking, sell walls, and excessive leverage? This creates the illusion of stagnation. But it's part of every market cycle. Bitcoin has survived crashes, pressure, and criticism. Volatility isn't a bug. It's the price of being early. Bitcoin may be worth it in 2026. But only if you understand it. If this helped you understand Bitcoin clearly and without hype, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. We break down money and investing in simple terms, so you can make smarter decisions, not emotional ones. I'll see you in the next video.